Alright, so I want to show you about how to do this iTunes. First you take this thing and plug it in the computer. Well, first you download the iTunes if you don't have it. Go online and download it, and then you plug in the cord. And then you get the phone. See your phone? You push the button and you stick this in there and hold the button down. And then wait till it comes on. And then wait till it changes to this other symbol like that. See that? Okay, then put that down. And then you'll see like a little window there. On the left it says update, and on the right it says restore. So click restore. Okay? And then it'll have another button, restore and update. Click that one. Restore and update. And then you'll see up here this blue line will start going through. And this takes about maybe 10 or 15 minutes to reset the phone. So that's what you do. That's how you restore the phone. Then everything should be wiped off of there. Okay, well, good luck. God bless. And remember, we do what Jesus tells us to do, and we'll be okay. Amen.